Welcome to the Magic Bus Boat. We're out here on Santa Margarita Lake. We got a late start, so it's already starting to warm up. I'm throwing a topwater buzzbait. Dad, Riley, and Shane are throwing crankbaits, and Caleb's throwing a lipless crankbait. Everyone's doing really good on their casting. Caleb got really good at casting. He used to be terrible, but he got really good at it. And we're casting over here by these rocks, hoping we can attract some big bass.
Yeah, we'll see if we can find some for you.
Hope.
Get a cast at it. Wind's gonna push us hard, so I'm gonna start turning. Okay, go ahead. There you go, perfect, Riley. Take it nice and easy. Go ahead. Back you up with one here. Okay, go crank it in, Riley. Crank her in. Nothing. Hard turn, hard turn. Shane, you get hung up?
Usually, crappie are eating.
Do you got it, Shane, or you need help?
That makes sense.
Okay, so right there's the lure snapped off, and if you watch real close, the left side, just next to the pole, we'll put a circle up here for you. Splash.
What just clicked? Dad's line. So Daddy just lost his line.
Yeah, it broke off right at the leader.
So I'm going to climb out on the pontoon to get it.
And so we're gonna speed it up so that you don't have to watch all that. Here, let's slow it back down. Weird, wonder what happened. Probably got a bird's nest and the leader broke. We'll bring us over here.
Yeah, that's a lot of line.
That's a good cast, buddy. It's good. Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Are you? You're gonna run your video out. All right, that's right. This is a good spot. You just keep it running for now. It's the button on top, but don't worry about it. Let it run. Let it run.
Oh, you got one?
Net. Yeah. Oh no! What happened?
It went flat, but then.
Did you get hit and then it cast again? Get it out there. Get it out there. Get it.
Where is the net?
Go.
It's back there.
That was a. There you go. Okay, so the boat.
I was snagged on the Bimini, and then Shane reeled up, as you can see. He casted snag. Now he's going to put his pole over in the pole holder, and then he goes up and unsnags it. And then I unsnag it as soon as he's done.
What's all that yellow line all over the place?
That's my line.
Did you have a bit of a mess?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Look at Shane. He's all the way up on the rail.
I know.
Think he's going to fall in?
No, I don't think so.
He doesn't fall in. Lucky
Here
he has a life
comes
jacket.
Caleb King. It's okay. Kenzie, show what wacky worm. It's a robo worm, wacky worm. Salt, chartreuse, and brown. It's like a bold bluegill, and it's called I already said this, but it's a robo worm. So
Made in a factory.
impossible to yeah, it was made by robots. Did you get one? Yeah. No? No, you didn't. Yeah, it's got a big grass carp. Ha ha. Biggest carp ever. Very funny. Grass carp.
Stabbed with a hook. Just need a band-aid. No, I don't need one.
Anyway, as you see, people are looking for some baits to use, hooking up their poles. We might be moving or something, but I'm not sure. Dad's just using his different pole. Oh, it has a beaver called Corn Dog. As soon as he saw it online, he said, "I'm getting that," because as corn dogs catch dorkfish. Anyway.
And the only dorkfish it'll catch is you.
Yeah. You're right.
Well,
Anyway. Oh, there's some sort of bird
It's a
over
duck.
there. No, that blackbird is not a duck.
it's a duck.
No, it's not.
It's a duck.
It is not.
It's a duck.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it
It's a duck.
isn't.
So it's not a duck.
Yeah, it's not a duck.
It is a duck.
No, it's not.
So what is it?
I don't know. It's some sort of bird.
Then we'll just go with duck.
No, we won't.
Until you tell me what it actually
We'll go with bird.
So now, if you can see it, there's a black duck.
Black.
It's a black waterfowl.
Okay, it's a waterfowl.
That is a duck, Daddy.
That is a waterfowl. Waterfowl.
Black duck.
Waterfowl. It's a waterfowl.
Shane, it's a duck. But anyway, it was getting too hot, so we decided to go to the other side of the lake and go through the shade to try to keep cool and try to catch fish.
Oh, it's a crappie! No, it's a crappie! Oh, that's a bass!
Bring her. That's right, it's a bass. Caleb's first bass of the day. You know, we didn't start catching these till the evening, and Caleb did a great job pulling that in. You know, we pull these nets out all the time because we've lost a couple of big fish on other fishing trips because we didn't have a net quick enough. It's not like a bass boat, it's a pontoon boat, so you gotta make a quick decision to flip or net. These fish could have been flipped in, but either way, ended up getting stuck in the net a little bit. Got a little trouble for being a little late getting back, but mom was a little happier once she got to see that we brought dinner home. So that's the thing. We like to catch and eat our fish. We don't do a lot of catch and release.
So, well, Dad was throwing a chartreuse crankbait, and then wham! A fish hit it almost coming out of the water. We scooped it in the net and we could have just boat flipped it, and those hook pullers got stuck in the net. We pulled the net up and laid it on this chair.
Hey, this might be a little bit bigger.
Oh.
You know how to do this, Rue?
This fish is bigger than all the other fish.
Step on him! Oh yeah, that's bigger. That's way big. That's bigger than mine. Yeah, that's bigger than mine. Dad, yours is bigger.
It's plenty long enough.
13.
If it's bigger than mine, it's keep it.
Let's weigh it now.
Go ahead and weigh it, so I can tell Caleb he owes me $15 now.
1.8.
Got to be, buddy.
Oh, that is fat. It's pooping.
Yeah, put him in the cooler and shut the
That's
lid.
small from here.
All right, we got plenty of opportunity here.
I mean, there's little holes. What do you have on?
Same thing again. Oh, same thing you did.
Nice, Daddy.